All right, let's take a start. IELTS speaking part one, and your topic is a little unusual, but you can answer the questions. First, concentration. Is it difficult for you to stay focused on something?
Yes, sometimes I it feel me difficult to focus
I
on.
find it difficult
I find it difficult to on a special topic. Uh,
to pay attention on any special topic. For
to
focus, use the word pay attention.
pay attention on special topics. It usually often to it usually rises when I have not a good night's sleep.
I didn't have a good night's
I
sleep.
didn't have a
Then
good.
it becomes difficult for me to pay attention. So, to answer your question, yes, it becomes difficult for me to focus or pay attention. Right?
Yeah.
Just organize your answer and focus your grammar. Next, what do you do to help you concentrate?
I usually go to quiet places to feel me alone, having a good ideas, reading books, and then come back, which helps me to come back on focus,
Yeah, to come, no,
come
which helps
back,
me to improve my
improve
focus,
my focus
and
on.
this is how I can pay more attention. So, in order to improve my attention, I relax my mind, and for that I go outside. Just link these ideas, okay? let's go on. What may distract you when you are trying to stay focused?
There are many things which make me distract,
Which may distract me?
which may distract me. Some of them are when people talking about me,
Yeah, when people are talking about
when
me.
people are talking about me, and people are talking about me, and
People are talking about me. Secondly,
second.
the most common distraction is my mobile phone. When I'm trying to study or doing anything, there is always a call, so therefore I switch off my mobile. On the other hand, noise from outside sometimes distract me. सोचना क्या है?
नहीं
बोलना है.
जी.
ठीक है, वन बाय वन. पहला आइडिया थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करें, सेकंड आइडिया, थर्ड आइडिया एंड ऑल दैट. घबराना नहीं है, बोल के आना है. ये तसल्ली करा देनी एक दफा एग्जामिनर की. ये okay. When do you need to be focused?
um, some are most important occasions for.
No. When do you need to be focused? I need to be
I
more
need
focused
to
when I'm studying.
जी.
Especially I'm doing IELTS listening, reading,
I
writing,
was
speaking.
trying to use some
Yeah.
special word.
Answer
but
again. Okay,
therefore
answer
I
again.
was
Answer again.
distracted.
When do you need to be more focused?
I think the most important is when I am reading, when I have reading exams are on deadline, then I have to be focused.
I have to be focused.
Focused. And next thing to me, when I have to plan some important events for coming in my life, I have to focus.
I have to be focused.
I have to be focused on them and pick up.
Okay, so I mean, it's better to talk about studies or when you're attending the lecture in the
Lectures,
class,
जी.
right? Or when you're doing some calculations, mathematics, then you have to be focused. Simplify your ideas, you will explain better, right? You will explain well if your ideas are simplified. If you have abstract ideas, sometimes it becomes difficult to elaborate on them, right? Okay, let's go on. It's your turn. I'm going to ask you some questions about subject science. Do you like science as a subject?
Definitely, I like science because I enjoy learning different sort of sciences. But it was a chemistry subject which attracted a lot of my attention, and the things which I learned in my childhood helps me a lot now.
All right, so to answer your question, I really like science as a subject, or science has been my favorite subject when I was at school. Okay, let's go on. When did you start to learn about science?
I started learning about science in my childhood because I was very clear to my goal. I wanted to become a chemical engineering, so that
Chemical engineer.
chemical engineer. That is the main reason I started to learn about sciences very early.
Okay, at an early age.
At an early age.
Very good. Let's go on. Which science subject is interesting for you?
All subjects of science are very interesting. Whereas I am interested in chemistry because I would like to explore different experiments, and it is very interesting to see to react different type of chemicals with each other and to watch reaction.
Okay, very good. Would you like to study more about science in the future?
Yes, because I selected my future. So can you please?
Sure.
Yeah.
Would you like to study more about science in the future?
Yes, I would like to, because
Now, instead of study, you can say, yes, I would like to explore more about science, and then talk about one science subject and all that. So, would you like to study more or further about science?
Yes, I would like to study about science, because I want to make it in my practical field, in my practical field, and chemistry is very interesting subject to me. So I would like to do research in that subject.
Yeah, I would like to do some research on that subject. All right, this is good. Just try to relax, use a variety of words, understand the topic, and then expand your answer. At the end, conclude. It's just like that. You start your answer, you explain, and then you come back to the main question. So just like this, you need to answer. Okay?
All right.
Thank you. All the best.